Alright, who wanna go get some eggs? Oh Lord.
Hold on, y'all. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Hold on, Shane.
Like 2.5 dozen. I thought it'd be more. I mean, those kids aren't out, and her kids aren't out, and Jayla's gone. I mean, I actually bought 5 dozen, but we only cooked 2.5. Go find some eggs. What are you doing? Just clueless.
Y'all going in the front.
I didn't hide any eggs over there because of that poison ivy. Go, they're all. Make sure don't no traffic come down through here.
Look up there by you ain't saying.
Now I didn't do like Miguel. I ain't got no $50 in a golden egg nowhere. I didn't go up that way, Sean. Mostly in Tasha's yard. Okay, can y'all like go down the street? Catherine, Sean, just go down the street and start looking around the street. On the side of the street. Look, oh my God, Jesus.
She found one.
Go on the other side. What was the point of me even hiding the damn egg? To Sean, go on the other side of the street.
Oh, I think I see one.
Oh my God, this is unreal right here. She found one. Uh-oh. Okay, now go on to Tasha's yard. Because her yard is kind of safe. I put a lot of them in there. Oh, Lord.
Well, shit, I should have my camcorder camera out here.
Kobe, go get an egg. Go get an egg, boy. Go get an egg. You see an egg? Go get it. Go get an egg. Look. Look, 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 right here. Look, boy. Look, look. An egg. You see an egg? You see an egg? You see an egg? No, you can't have an egg. Go get me an egg. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Come on. Come on. Find me an egg. Come on, find me an egg. It's like, I want your egg. No. Find me an egg. Where's an egg? Huh? Huh? Where's an egg? Where's an egg? Yeah, there's an egg! Ah! Kobe found an egg! You still looking for an egg? Huh? You still looking for an egg?
Okay, out of 2.5 good.
What is this? Anything in this?
Ain't none up here in the trash.
Oh, so that means I did hide them pretty good, huh? Yeah, that's all I got is one. Kobe, find me an egg. Find me an egg, boy. You find me an egg. No, not take a leak, dude. Find me an egg. Where's an egg? What, baby? I'm looking around to see if I can see where I put any more. It's got to be a lot more. There must be a real Easter bunny out here that's hiding that picked them up and put them somewhere else. Cause I'm telling you, I'm looking all over where I stuck them at, and where's the real Easter bunny? Huh? I think so. Kobe sniffed out some of them for him. Huh? Kobe?
Well, count what they got.
Kobe found like 2 of them. I got one. What do y'all got in your buckets? Oh, here's about half a dozen right here. Catherine, yours don't look too empty. Let me see. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And you, what are you about to cry about?
4, 5.
Yeah, I would say y'all about found them all. Well, they each got about 5 or 6 eggs.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I got 1 8.
I got one. Jarvis got one.
I got 7.
Is there some chocolate laying in the road, man?
That's all of them did, ain't it?
Lord.
But 10.
No, they